So you're looking for a way to record people driving like idiots. Well, I've got your fix. Stay tuned because you're about to find out. Welcome back. I am RPM Nexus, and in today's video we are going to be looking at a very cheap and affordable dash cam for any car out there. This particular dash cam, you can find it right now at your local Walmart or walmart.com for only 20 bucks, and you can't go wrong with this little guy because there's so much really cool stuff about it. But then again, there's a lot of negatives that I've come over time by using this that I'm about to go over with you. So let's go ahead, let's hop into the positives and negatives of this webcam. Okay, let's take a look at this really cool little cheap $20 webcam, and these are very little bit of positives that I'm going to tell you, but right now let's take a look at what everything that comes in the box for you. Right here you have the webcam, which is really cool. You got the 120-degree wide angle lens, so it covers the entire dashboard. On the back of it you have the screen, the little 1.5 display. You have the up and down keys, then you have the menu button, then you have the OK to start recording or to say OK to like the menu settings, and then you also have the lock button and the power button. And then on the bottom of it you have all the information you need to look for as far as like the model and stuff like that. It has a gravity sensor on it, so what it'll do, it will automatically stop recording after a collision or hard braking, so it won't continue to record after a while. So if you get in a collision, it will definitely stop recording. It also has a playback, a recording kind of feature to it, so you can actually look at the videos and stuff, but I usually just hook it up to a computer or something to do the playbacks. And then what's really cool, it is 20 bucks, so I mean you can't go wrong with the price on it. And then what else comes with it? It comes with this really cool little suction cup that you can attach to the windshield or whatever you use with it. Then you got this really long car charger right here that you can plug it up to, and then it also comes with a USB cord, which I don't know why they have both of them, because typically a lot of your mobile devices have like the charging ports and stuff like that already. Most of your cars already have the USB charger ports and stuff like that. I really don't know why it came with two separate cords, but you know, the main part I guess for this right here is so that you can use it as a webcam, which is really cool. You can record it in 1080p, but I wouldn't recommend that part of it because it is extremely negative, and as you can tell by the video that I am showing you right now, you can see how wide of an angle that this little guy is. It's really out there, but it's just the quality of it. It's supposed to be 1080p. I did set the resolution at 1080p, and that 1080p, it doesn't look 1080p to me. It looks very fractured. For the price, I guess that's what you're going to be expecting. And then the battery itself isn't too long. It's only got like a 2.5 minutes of recording time. Then you also have like a 4-minute like playback time, so you're only allowed very short bursts of time. And what really sucks about this is that you have to keep it connected to the charger cord in order to, like, you know, continue to record it, because if you don't, it'll shut off, and then over time it just sucks that you have to keep this thing plugged in order to record anything with it. And then you also have the integrated mic. It is horrible with the wind sound and everything coming through the car. If you have wind, the music and stuff like that, it's just the mic picks up just about everything, and the mic on this thing really does suck. But then again, everything that I'm explaining to you is like super cheap, so that is something that you can't complain with because of the price. If you really want something really out there, all you have to do is just go out and pick up a more expensive one, and I'm pretty sure the more expensive ones will definitely be worth your while. But like I said a few minutes ago, as you can tell by the video that I'm showing you here, it's just wicked, and it doesn't fit right. It's just, I don't like the quality. I'm going to continue to use it because it's a safety feature to have something like this in your car, just in case something happens or some pedestrian just so happen to just walk out in front of your car without you least expecting it, wrecks, all that kind of stuff. So this is something really cool to like see, and the video that you're looking at is just, you get what I'm saying. It's just the dash cam video recording isn't up to par like it's supposed to be as far as like 1080p, and I've even connected it to my PC to see how well the webcam will pan out, and it doesn't pan out really well. And it's just all around, to me, as for the price, it's good, but it's got a lot of bad qualities to it. My final thoughts on this little webcam: it is really cool for the price, and it does what it's supposed to, but all the negatives kind of outweigh how good this camera is. So if you're looking to spend $20 on a webcam and you see another webcam that is around at least 30-40 bucks, I recommend going the higher price and get you a better webcam, because Honestly, this is not something I was expecting, but then again, it's 20 bucks. It's cheap, so that's kind of what I was expecting in a way. But, you know, anyways, this guy, if you want to pick it up, it is at your local Walmart, so walmart.com for 20 bucks. I'm not too sure if it's on Amazon or eBay, but if it is, then you can find it there as well. So you guys, if you enjoyed this video, remember, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you can, hit the subscribe circle down below. And then as well, there's going to be 2 videos that's going to pop up here with more Blackweb products. There's going to be a charger for your car, and then as well as a Bluetooth speaker that you might be interested. I will catch you guys later. Peace.